Good morning, traders. My first trade of the day is going to be CSIQ long over this 2450. As you can see, I'm only taking 200 shares long because my stop is relatively far away, around 2410. And my profit target is going to be, if we can get over 25, that'd be great. As you can see, resistance is about 2510. If we can get to 2510, I will look out to get out the position right there. Okay, and we are moving up right now, fixing to break through 2470. There we go, coming up on 2480 pretty quick. Still got some good buying going on. See, the buyers are relatively stronger than the sellers. And you can watch the tape and tell that the buyers are still in control. And as soon as we see a sign of weakness, I'm going to take my partial. So I am watching the buyers and the sellers, and okay, there we go. We got some selling coming in right now. I'm fixing to go ahead and get out my position right here, or half my position anyways. There we go. Oh, I sold the whole position. Shoot. Okay, now we're at RCII. I'm looking to take this short right here, 29.90. And I'm only taking 200 shares once again because this is not my normal setup that I take. My normal setup would have been to take it short right here. But I missed that opportunity, and I think that we're going to see a bounce back down right here. And my stop, is, you can see, is going to be relatively close right over that $30 area. But there's a couple reasons why I'm only taking 200 shares short. First of all, it's under short sell restriction. As you can see, we're down 15% on the day. That means that it can only be shorted on an uptick if you're trading the actual stock itself, which most of you are. And also, like I said just a minute ago, this is not my normal setup that I take, so my confidence in this trade is somewhat diminished to what it normally is. Now, I did just take off half my position right here, okay, because we came down pretty quick, and that was the profit target on my first half of my trade. This time I actually sold only 100 shares like I meant to in CSIQ, but accidentally sold the whole position. And I am going to try and cover out the rest of this trade under this 29.50. Now I want you to watch the level 2 right here, okay? I want you to watch the sellers relative to the buyers. You see those sellers, how they're just stacked up, and there's like one small buyer, right? And the sellers, there's just a ton of sellers relative to the buyers. So I think that we're going to get through this 29.50, and once we do, we should see a nice little drop of at least 5 to 10 cents. Okay, once that happens, I'm probably going to cover out my position on the first sign of some buyers coming in. And look at, yeah, you see, still see those sellers still dominating. Come on. It's taking a little bit longer than I anticipated. That's okay, just got to be patient. Let the trade play out. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to watch very closely. On the first uptick, I'm probably going to cover out this trade. We are moving down. Sellers are still in control. Watching it closely. Watching the sellers. Still moving down. Okay, I'm out. Next trade is SSYS. I'm fixing to short it. Look at this buyer at 53. Okay, we're fixing to blow through them, so I'm shorting right here. Oh, what a terrible fill. Looks like I got filled at 52.82. Okay, well my original profit target on this first half was about 52.60, so I'm just going to leave it at that, as I don't have a lot of confidence in this trade. I didn't have a lot of confidence in it to begin with. That's why I only took 200 shares short, so I just covered out right there, as you can see, half of it. And I didn't feel confident in this trade because it's already down 35% on the day, the stock is. So I'm fixing to quickly cover out the second half right about now. And you can see my profits on the day, CSIQ. $53 profit. RCII, $72 profit. SSYS, a whopping $39 profit. And RCII, which I did not get on video, for a $40 profit. A lot of small profits totaling up to $206 on the day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.